Okay, so if you're into crypto, by now you've figured out that Bitcoin is not your best short-term wealth building instrument. And if you're watching this video with interest and you're crypto curious, you probably have explored or have already invested in altcoins. Altcoins, or alternative to Bitcoin coins, are where the most upside is. And then even within the altcoin universe, you have multiple market cap sizes, multiple narratives, etc. So it can get a little overwhelming. But in this video, I want to show you one chart that you definitely want to be looking at in the short term, if you're short-term minded, which I know a lot of you are. And I also have a very, very important announcement at the end of this video for my loyal followers and those of you who've been in my audience for a year or so now. So check this out. What I'm looking at here on TradingView.com, the TradingView app, type in total 3. This is the market cap of all crypto investments minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, this is the total market cap. So it's kind of a weather vane for your altcoin portfolio. It's going to kind of give you the flavor and the current state of the union, if you will, on what to expect. So keep in mind what I'm about to say has to do with the cumulative altcoin market. Now, over here, we're back in late 2021. You can see the last Pico top of alt season, okay? The last top, the highest prices, the parabolic gains ended pretty abruptly, and then we went into the longest bear market I think we've ever had. Now, there's a correlation. I'm not just looking back in time to look back in time. You can see the yellow line and the orange line. The yellow line is kind of like it was a previous resistance that we bumped up against, and we don't have to be tech bros and crypto bros here. We're just looking at a chart very simply. When we bumped up against that, we had to come back down and garner some more strength. Then the big catalyst of last November happened, and a new guy got elected, and everyone got really bullish, and we went up here, and you can see the Pico top of the last cycle now is the total 3 market cap resistance level. And what did we do? We bounced off of it, and now we've been consolidating. Well, what that consolidation has felt like was painful in December, right? Nobody got a Santa Claus rally. And then January opened up, and we got this little fake out to the upside. But here's what's possible in the near future that you just need to be ready for psychologically. It's very common for digital assets, stocks, you name it, to break through new resistance levels and then come back and test it. So that yellow line, we still have some downside here on altcoins. Even if Bitcoin decides to say, you know what, 91, 92, 93K, that was my little local bottom. I'm going to go above 100K again. You'll see the altcoins pump with it. But don't be surprised that Bitcoin's price goes up, Bitcoin dominance goes up, and you see some of this falter down closer to the yellow line in the short term. So you might have some better buying opportunities if you're feeling FOMO right now. There's always going to be some exceptions to the rule. Even while a lot of altcoins will be pulling down, there's always seems to be a new sexy narrative like the Agent AI narrative that popped up. You'll start to see coins running despite the rest of the market pulling back, and that's just normal. Don't FOMO in. Wait for a good entry point. Okay, lastly, I don't know if this platform is going to exist much longer. We'll see what the Supreme Court says literally this week. I would love to have you along for the ride. I'm not quitting even if this platform goes dark. So make sure you go to youtube.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel @CryptoYall. No apostrophes, no special characters, no numbers, nothing like that. I'm going to start posting here more consistently. So if you want to be a part of my TikTok-ish content moving forward, I'll be doing so on YouTube Shorts. But just in case we're still here in 10 or 11 days, then please like and follow. Make sure you follow this account. This is my only account. And use the little widgets over here on the side to send to a crypto curious friend. Bookmark this, share it, comment below your biggest crypto questions, and I'll do my best to answer them.